Welcome to StringBuffer. Build mutable strings efficiently. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Using regular strings for repeated modifications creates many temporary objects. How do we build strings efficiently? Strings are immutable, creating waste. Repeated concatenation is slow. Memory overhead from many objects. StringBuffer allows mutable string operations without creating new objects. How is StringBuffer used in the real world? Text editors. Efficient text manipulation. Log builders. Construct log messages dynamically. Data processing. Build output strings efficiently. StringBuffer powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without StringBuffer? Concatenating strings in loops creates many objects. Look at how messy the code gets. Creates 1,000 plus string objects. Poor performance in loops. Wastes memory. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. StringBuffer. Look how clean the code is now. Mutable. Can modify content. Thread safe for concurrency. Efficient for many changes. Compare the difference. And that is why we use StringBuffer. Let's see how to implement StringBuffer in code. Here is the implementation. Create StringBuffer. Initialize mutable string. Append text. Add hello to buffer. Append more. Add world to buffer. Convert to string. Get final string result. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is StringBuffer primarily used for? Which one is correct? The correct answer is StringBuffer is mutable, optimized for concatenation. What's the output? Which one is correct? The correct answer is append modifies the original string buffer. How to reverse a string buffer? Which one is correct? The correct answer is reverse. Method modifies and returns the buffer. What's the capacity after this code? Which one is correct? The correct answer is capacity doubles plus 2 when exceeded. 10 times 2 plus 2 equals 22. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.